Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on AirDrop on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then once it's done, you just need to tap and hold on the buttons right here on the top left square here on where's the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Just tap and hold, and this will open up and you will see AirDrop on the left corner, lower left corner, just below the Wi-Fi icon. Just need to simply tap on it, and now you could pick from these options to turn off the receiving, or you could either tap on contacts only or for everyone for 10 minutes. So if you want to do contacts only, you could just tap on the middle one, but if you want to set it to everyone for 10 minutes, just tap on the last one right here. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.